Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Sanitas pulse oximeter. Determine oxygen saturation and heart rate, small and light for use at home and on the move, easy to read color display with 4-level views, adjustable display brightness, pulse curve display, low battery indicator, automatic switch off, particularly suitable for persons with heart failure, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, bronchial asthma, suitable for sports at high altitudes. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And inside, of course, we have two 3A batteries, the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Gray-white color, silver around. We have the display here, the on-off button. Just pull that, remove the cover for the batteries. Two 3A batteries. And it is on. Figure out, it says. After 5 seconds it will switch off automatically. Insert the finger. We can see in the orientation, this side or this side, it is your choice. I like it. It's changing so fast, the orientation. And we can see the oxygen saturation, the pulse rate, the pulse wave at the top, and the pulse bar. And by just press and hold the on-off button, the brightness is in the lower mode. Removing my finger out, and it will switch off. And again start the measurement. I like it. It is small, portable, definitely it fits anywhere, at your pocket, backpack, and you can use it anywhere at any time, indoors or outdoors. Well, my viewers, that was all about this Sanitas pulse oximeter. I like it. And it cost only 12 euros. I think the price is very good. Until my next video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.